Personal Finance Crash Course, Insurance and Risk Management. Introduction. In the realm of personal finance, one crucial aspect is insurance and risk management. Life is unpredictable, and unexpected events can disrupt our financial well-being. That's where insurance comes into play. It provides protection and peace of mind, shielding us from potential financial hardships caused by accidents, illnesses, or unforeseen circumstances. In this crash course, we will explore the world of insurance, its importance, and various types of insurance coverage available. The importance of insurance. Insurance acts as a safety net, allowing individuals and families to mitigate financial risks associated with unforeseen events. It provides a sense of security by transferring the potential financial burden to an insurance provider. By paying a premium, policyholders can access coverage that helps them manage risks and protect their assets, health, and loved ones. Interesting stories and examples. The unbreakable umbrella. Imagine a sunny day when suddenly dark clouds gather, and rain pours down. You hastily open your umbrella, only to see it collapse under the heavy rain. However, there is an innovative solution, the unbreakable umbrella. This umbrella is made from a highly durable material that can withstand strong winds and heavy rainfall. Just like insurance, it provides reliable protection when you need it the most. The Traveler's Tale. A couple embarks on a dream vacation to a tropical paradise. They have meticulously planned their trip, from flights to accommodation and excursions. However, on the second day of their vacation, one of them falls ill and requires immediate medical attention. Fortunately, they had purchased travel insurance that covered medical emergencies abroad. The insurance not only paid for their medical expenses but also facilitated their safe return home. This story highlights the importance of travel insurance in safeguarding against unexpected events during trips. Types of insurance coverage. 1. Life insurance provides a financial payout to beneficiaries in the event of the insured person's death, ensuring their financial stability. 2. Health insurance covers medical expenses, including hospitalization, surgeries, medications, and preventive care, reducing the burden of healthcare costs. 3. Auto insurance protects against financial loss due to car accidents, theft, or damage to the insured vehicle. 4. Homeowners insurance covers property damage, theft, and liability in the context of homeownership. 5. Renters insurance protects tenants against loss or damage to personal belongings and provides liability coverage. 6. Disability insurance provides income replacement in case of a disabling injury or illness that prevents the insured from working. 7. Long-term care insurance covers the costs of long-term care services, such as nursing home care or in-home assistance. 8. Travel insurance offers coverage for trip cancellations, medical emergencies, lost luggage, and other travel-related risks. 9. Business insurance protects businesses from financial losses due to property damage, liability claims, or interruption of operations. 10. Pet insurance covers veterinary expenses for pets, ensuring they receive necessary medical care without straining the owner's finances. 11. Liability insurance protects individuals or businesses from legal claims or lawsuits filed by third parties for bodily injury or property damage. 12. Critical illness insurance provides a lump sum payment upon diagnosis of specified critical illnesses, helping cover medical expenses and loss of income. Summary. Insurance and risk management are vital components of personal finance. They provide protection and financial security, enabling individuals and families to face unforeseen events with confidence. Whether it's life, health, auto, or any other type of insurance, understanding your risks and selecting appropriate coverage can help you safeguard your financial well-being. By mitigating potential losses, insurance empowers individuals to focus on their goals, dreams, and aspirations without the constant worry of financial setbacks. Poem. In a world of uncertainty, where risks abound, insurance stands tall, a shield that surrounds life's unexpected twists and turns it does defy. With protection and solace, it lets us fly high. From life's fleeting moments to health's fragile hold, insurance whispers reassurance, turning fear into gold. Life insurance, a promise to those we hold dear, ensuring their well-being, even when we're not near. Health insurance, a guardian of our body and mind. With medical care embraced, worries left behind. Auto insurance, a safety net on the road we tread, guarding against accidents, protecting what lies ahead. Home and renters insurance, a haven for our space, preserving our treasures, securing our place. Disability insurance, a helping hand in times of need, replacing lost income, planting a resilient seed. Travel insurance, a companion on journeys unknown, When plans unravel, it guides us back home. Business and liability insurance, a shield for enterprise. Safeguarding against losses, keeping dreams alive. Pet insurance, a loving touch for our furry friends. Ensuring their well-being until their journey ends. Critical illness insurance, a lifeline when health takes a toll. Providing support and relief, a warrior's role. In the realm of risk management, insurance takes the lead. A fortress of protection for every desire and need. With policies in hand, worries take flight. Leaving room for dreams to soar and ignite. Song. Verse 1. In a world full of uncertainty, where risks reside, insurance steps in, standing by our side. From life to health, auto to home. Coverage that protects, wherever we may roam. Chorus. Insurance and risk management, a shield so strong. Preserving our peace, when things go wrong. Life, health, and more, the options wide. Safeguarding our dreams, with insurance as our guide. Verse 2. Life insurance, a promise to our loved ones dear. Ensuring their future, even when we're not near. Health insurance, a safety net for body and mind. Quality care embraced, worries left behind. Chorus. Insurance and risk management, a shield so strong. Preserving our peace, when things go wrong. Life, health, and more, the options wide. Safeguarding our dreams, with insurance as our guide. Bridge. Auto insurance, protecting on the road we tread. Home and renters insurance, securing our homestead. From disability to travel, and business as well. Insurance stands tall, stories to tell. Verse 3. Pet insurance, a caring touch for our furry friends. Critical illness insurance, support that never ends. Liability and beyond, the coverage does extend. Peace of mind, insurance sends. Chorus. Insurance and risk management, a shield so strong. Preserving our peace, when things go wrong. Life, health, and more, the options wide. Safeguarding our dreams, with insurance as our guide. Outro. In the realm of personal finance, insurance shines bright. A guardian of our well-being, through day and night. With policies in hand, worries we can dismiss. For insurance protects, ensuring our financial bliss. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.